Get gritty.
Hey guys, today we're starting the video off. We're gonna be doing the track, put the track on, and combine the tunnel and the skid. So now that we're doing that, let's get into this thing. So this is a jig. See, it says axial jig. So guess what? That's an axial jig. This is the one that was provided with the thing. And we're just gonna put it together. I'll see you after all the holes are drilled and cut in the time lapse. This is gonna take. Well, now that that is in and spinning good and on the right side, we can link these up now with M3 by 18s. Can put this all together. And 3 by 18. Need 4 M3 by 18s. There. Now the next step would be to put the track together, which thankfully enough I have this. It's 38 pieces in total. I think I have extra, which is good. And then I'm gonna grab my trusty finishing nails, and we're gonna do this the redneck way because I don't have a heat gun. So basically, I'll put this on time lapse. You're gonna put these two pieces together. There is a third piece, but I didn't think it was necessary. You're just gonna do this pattern. You can see that pattern the whole way. And then 38 pieces it goes. I'll see you then. Back, guys, everything is working good. Just got it off the build plate right here. Got the old, tried to make one because I didn't have enough, but you know, that's fine. We make that thing work and we show her how it's done. Just give me one moment. Perfecto. So now that we got that, we Need this. Yeah, okay, it's recording. Good, good. That's what I like to hear. Basically, I need 2, which is perfect because I just broke 2. That is okay. Sometimes you got a little bend in it to the left and, you know, gotta straighten her out, but it's okay. Put the other one in. Send her in nice and tight. Send her in. That's all I need for now. Actually. Yay, that's pretty much it. And now that we got that going on, I'm actually gonna do my thingy-mabobber. So, how I like to connect the last link, I like to grab, I got really long, these are M3 by 50, and basically what I do, these fit pretty good. What I'm gonna do, this is roughly the right hole, I think, right? It might be a little too big. Hold up, give me 1 minute. I'm trying to find, don't want to grab too big of a size. Actually, that's probably the only size. Okay, then that's the only size. I'm just gonna drill out just these first 2. It'll bite into the last one, but I can go through these 2 just a-okay. Just gotta be, wow, I should probably put the power setting down, but it's okay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this in after at the end. So now we're gonna feed this bad Larry like this. Let's get that out of the way so you can see what's going on. I'm gonna put it like this and kind of just feed the, not, I didn't say a bad word, kind of, you know, give her everything she got, I guess. Now that I got that, make sure it's on the right course of action. Make sure this fits just right. Then what you gonna do, where's the thing? Oh, right there. Now you see what I do, I just put that in there and I screw her in. That's all I do. Just screw in, so, because sometimes you gotta take the track out to fix stuff. So, actually, I forgot to do something. If you don't countersink a little bit, I just forgot about that. If you don't countersink it enough, it doesn't like you that much. So I believe I had to countersink it about this. Crap! Took extra time. Now you just kind of, you don't go far at all. See, I barely did anything there. Super fantastic. So I got that. and then you kind of just, I guess, ease it in, and she'll be okay. You can just break the thing off. It's not that big of a deal either. You just print more, or buy it from whoever you did it, got it done by. So it acts just fine, and yes, it still does a good job going over here. It misses it. So yeah, it does a good job still. Now since it's still loose, I want to tighten it up a little bit. Wow, this is actually pretty tight already, this little thing. Why is this so tight? I don't know why this is so tight. This is really tight for some reason. That's stupid. I'll come back when this is done. I got some good tension, and she's done right now, I guess. That's good. The back's pretty good. Gotta figure out why that's moving way too much, but it's okay. It doesn't come back, that's the thing. If it wants to do wheelies, you know, great. I should really add a limit strap in the front, but I really don't care enough right now. That's it for now. That's all I need until I put everything else together. Awesome.